as why. So first of all, look at structure is currently at a huge consolidation, all the way dating back from, let me just move this, all the way back from 19th of August or so. So very huge.
Or so we've tapped into the 15-minute area here. We left behind a 1-minute block here. So if we break this candle low now, I will be selling. As soon as we dip down below. Can't even on there we go, we've broken it. Stop loss is gonna be 996. Six. Let me just put this on here. It's moving so fast I can't even see. Alright, stops our break even. Yeah, sorry we started late, guys, because sorry we started late. My alarm was on for 9. I forget to change it. Yeah, this is calm. We have break even already. TP is 160873. It's a lovely way to start, isn't it? With either a break even or a win. Alright, break even, calm. Don't mind that.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, I was just explaining my trade since you were talking.
Nice.
It was that was the world's quickest break even I have ever seen.
Oh, you're already a break even. Nice.
No, that was a very good. Not good. It wasn't a win, but I would say it's better than a thingy.
Jeez, that quick.
I'll show you my screen now, bro. You don't understand how fast that was. Can you see?
Hold on. That's
Look, came into the 15-minute. This is when I literally jumped on the call now. Came into that 15-minute area here. I've marked out. Hang on, let me see. If I put you, yeah, came into this 15-minute area marked out here.
Yeah.
Obviously, 1 minute. We left behind a very tiny void. You can see here, literally a micro pip. Came into that, then broke the candle low. Stop loss over the high. It went to 1-to-1 literally within 30 seconds. Moved to break
Oh, and
even.
it came back.
Moved to break
Oh,
even,
man.
came back, and now who knows what it'll do. But I think that's amazing. I don't think anyone would have copied that trade because I literally said it so fast. But that was my fault. Yeah, true. To be fair, if it comes back into this area here, I will be looking again.
Still looking to sell again. Yeah.
Let me see, how many other selling areas are there today? Or even areas in general?
That's what you thought.
We got potential buys here at the bottom. So that's where I could be joining your bias, I guess.
Yeah.
Or even selling into that buy area.
Yeah, could be selling into it. Yeah.
And
but the issue with going with there is there's going to be such a crap load of manipulation around that level because we're probably going to take a lot of liquidity from the session lows over here. Well, I can't see actually.
One sec. 956. Oh, ingat dia. Thank you. Yeah, what was that? What were you saying?
Hold on. Where is my view at, man?
Oh, I'm still sharing my screen. I don't need to. I am streaming.
Yeah, where the heck is my view at, bro? I keep seeing. Here you go. I'm about to take buys over here. As I explained earlier, was because it's kind of like a fake out on 30 minute. So this is loads of liquidity, loads of sell side liquidity around this level. We tapped into it and it finished back up above. So that shows that there's quite, could be a fake out setup over here. Waiting for it to retest this weekly low. Not weekly low, sorry, this previous wick over here.
Right. Is that where the
Just some
15
sort of
minute
support.
area is?
Yeah, it's just some sort of support, isn't it? Like,
Interesting.
yeah, just some sort of support, like extra confidence. The issue with trying to buy here with me over here is the fact that there could be loads of manipulation over here to try and tap out because there's gonna be loads of stop losses and sell stops down here.
That's true.
So it's kind of it's gonna be a techie one if you do enter from there. But yeah, it's like catching a falling knife at that point. You might win it,
yeah.
But
basically, it's not a discount, is it? It's not that 50% we really want in this.
No, not really. No. It's probably best to like sell from all the way up here or something. Or, yeah.
With the sell.
Right now, I'm struggling to go back down.
Alright, GJ is coming into this order block now. So if we come in and then we break the candle low, I will be selling. Something like this. Very simple, not hard to understand. That's it. Alright, so we are... I got way too much stuff on my screen. 953. Yeah, we're definitely in now. So if we break the candle low, I'll sell. Stop loss above the high, half a pip. What I normally do is, if anyone's actually trying to copy, I just sell, and then after I place my stop loss, because it's the only way to do it easily.
Yeah, what you could do, to be fair, is in that scenario is potentially backtest and see what the average lot size is, the average stop loss is. And calculate your lot sizes from there and just do an average lot size.
That's true.
That way it'll balance out anyways to 1%.
That is true.
In the long run. So yeah.
Or like I guess a foolproof way of doing it is having the stop loss set out above the order block in the first place.
Yeah.
Then just adjusting it.
Stop, and then exactly.
Actually, I might.
So, calculating it for the stop loss size of above the order block.
No, I would just keep the lot size the same and then quickly adjust it as soon as I see it.
Okay.
That will make sure I don't get slipped by news or anything like that. Okay, speaking of, that order block is gone. This is why you manage your risk. See that? Move to break even straight away. I guess that's 2-1 to Mark now. In risk management, it's 2-1 to Mark. He's won this one. No, I won this one.
Yeah, you did win this one. They're gonna think that I'm the dumb trader now. They're like, I don't manage my risk, but that's alright. That's alright.
Yeah, by the way, guys, Mark doesn't actually use a stop loss.
I don't use a stop loss.
Literally does it.
Stop losses for losers, bro.
Yeah, of course.
I don't lose. That's the issue. I would have a stop loss if I lost, but I don't. So.
Why would you use a stop loss if you know you're gonna win? What's the point?
Silly talk, guys. Silly talk. Alright, GJ's being a bit of a pussy right now. I was looking to sell GJ, but I was hoping it pushed up to 163. Basically, my target right now first, but it hasn't, so I'm gonna wait.
1 minute.
Work there. Yeah, I guess the other.
Yeah, stream looks a little cleaner now again.
That's nice.
I've changed that bottom scrolling text to white, black text. Got a tiny little black border around my camera. The top is just that Enigma logo, that's it. And I've customized MT5. Wasn't that hot?
Which logo is it? The orange, the yellow one? Or?
It's still the normal one, the one that was there before. Yeah, I've customized MT5 to make it match better. Let me actually, you know what? Let me check what it looks like. Is it any good?
GA is also just consolidating. See, it starts GA here with the consolidation, so.
Yeah, it's calm. It looks smooth. Quality, it's not lagging. That's the good thing about OBS. It tells you your CPU in the bottom right corner, doesn't it?
Yeah. It does. It shows your memory usage. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What about GU? What's happening in GU? Nothing. Yeah, no. I mean.
Yeah, I was honed in on GJ there, so let's check out GU now. GBP.
Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is. Bitcoin's getting closer and closer to entry for me, anyways.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, not really, but kind of. So I'm expecting it to push all the way down to 1900 before pushing back up to 2200. We shall see.
GU just violated the sell area. It's very similar setup to GJ, to be fair. Actually, hang on. Yeah, it's pushed upwards. We've got.
Oh wait, my music's playing. No, isn't good. Oh.
Nice, no, don't worry. Very similar to GJ. It's there's a buy area near the bottom, 15-minute order block, and price is slightly pushed up. If you go on GU, it literally looks like a mirror image of GJ. As expected. That is basically why I chose the pair. Well, so with the highlights from now on, shall we just you do your trades, I do mine? Since you're recording your screen.
But if we talk about, like, let's say psychology, send me your perspective and I'll record my perspective as well. And then I'll merge them together. I'll add those two together. I get them full time, you're not. So like, let me take on some more workload.
Let me share my screen. I'll see if it doesn't lag too much. Then you won't have to clip.
No. It's fine. It'll be easier for
Sorry,
separate.
not my screen. Not my screen. I meant my video. Just on Zoom. Nah, I can't use it.
Okay.
I think it's because OBS is using it.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'll just take it. Like, if you could just crop it out of YouTube and just send it to me, and I'll do all the rest of the editing.
Sound. That's cool.
Just send me what you want to be sent, and then I'll do the editing part. All the subtitles and that, I'll get them.
I mean, I don't mind doing it. 1 or 2 a day.
Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, if your highlights as well, yeah, you can do that. But if let's say talk about psychology, have your points. I record my points and my face. It just basically switches the perspective.
Yeah.
To be fair, what I'll probably do actually is stop listening to Spotify on my computer and just listening on my phone. Get headphones. That way I don't have to keep pausing it and I'm about to speak.
Right, is that what you're doing now? What shall I think, shall we just keep playing the Epidemic sound? Because it's a copyright claim, but it's not a copyright strike.
Yeah, because they can't strike it because they don't make money from it. That's why.
Oh, like in general, outside of... They just don't make money from that anyway?
I think so, because it was the same thing for Juice WRLD. I had to do it. I just had to mute it.
You say that again?
So I was playing Juice WRLD in one of the streams. I was it was in the background. It wasn't even playing through the desktop. It was playing through my my phone, and the mic picked it up.
Yeah.
And, yeah, copyright.
No way.
But But yeah, he didn't even do a strike or anything.
Oh,
So
I
it was
got
just
you. So because we're not making money, they're not making money, so they can't strike us.
yeah.
That makes
Realistically,
sense.
they really can't. Yeah.
So if we get more views, then we play them. We might get
Yeah.
a strike.
When do you want to do a reaction
Reaction.
talk like add compilation or something?
Mm, I don't know. I'm free a lot. I'm basically free a lot of the time.
I don't mind doing it
Maybe
today and
not.
recording it, so or I don't mind.
I don't think I'll have time today.
That's fine.
Actually, I might do. I'll need to check. Like I said, I woke up today. I've come straight on the laptop. I haven't checked anything.
Yeah, that's fine. Because I need to like look for compilations anyways and stuff. So
Yeah, calm. I'll let you know right after the stream.
yeah.
We know who's number one on the list.
I think that'll just be a funny video to watch.
You know what we should
I
try and
might,
find as well? Do you remember?
I might withdraw some cash for the thumbnail.
What, for that video?
Yeah.
Just for the thumbnail.
Imagine withdrawing like let's say £10,000.
Teach me how to
Yeah.
trade. Well, we should try and find, Astro's deleted advert. Do you remember?
Do they have an advert? I don't remember.
So, someone was talking about it, and you should. I think they had a Q&A ages ago. They were walking next to the pool. Do you not remember it?
Yeah. No.
That's the most funny shit.
I've never actually watched any Astro.
me-
Like, I've never seen them market. I think they just do mostly sales and then like sell it from there, or mostly Instagram maybe.
Yeah. No, they didn't do much. I think that's probably why they deleted the advert.
It's not the right
Or they saw the
image.
advert, they're like, you know what, we do not want this.
Yeah. Retreat.
Alright, speaking of, let me plug the stream on these chats. I've got to do it.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah. And gold. Send the link.
Oh, number one. So I'm doing all of them. Speaking of, I'm gonna say if you're lonely, guys, here's the stream.
Yeah. Just
I know the feel. If you're lonely, jump on the stream. Because that's the only reason they're gonna be in the chat, surely. Because they're bored.
yeah. I'm gonna pop out the
Actually, let me.
chat.
Let
I don't know if you're streaming, you know. You are.
Nah, I definitely am. Alright, alerts set on GU. Let's go. To be fair, on GJ here, it could be actually, I don't need to be thinking here.
That's all you.
It's looking like it could be a nice schematic playing out. We've generated liquidity. We've just tapped into the sell area, but then we've danced around. So if this is a whole play for liquidity, attracting in more buyers, more sellers, then we take this out from the top, then push down, and then we reaccumulate, come into that selling area you were talking about, the support, then push up. I can see that happening. It would be interesting.
Wait, you think that it's taking both sides before it pushes up? I think it just takes the sell side.
I think
I reckon
it
it
pushes
misses
up a
these
little
highs.
more into this sell area here, just above that previous high it made, around 7:30.
Yeah.
Then we push down into this buy area.
Yeah.
And we go up.
Let me record my point of view of this. You can keep talking, obviously. I'm just letting you know.
Recording in progress.
So, you think it's going to take the highs out? I reckon it doesn't take the highs out. I think it stays below.
But the highs have just been taken.
Has it? Oh, no, not the same highs we're talking about. I
Right.
reckon it just stays just below. Over here.
Yeah, I was talking about if you look at 726 or
Yeah,
725.
it's been taken out. It's been
those
taken
highs.
out.
Then-
I was taken out, but I still think, yeah, it drops here.
Yeah, maybe come a little higher or drop from here.
Yeah.
The idea is that eventually we take out all this liquidity that's been generated above, on the 1 minute of course. Then we
Yeah.
come into the buy area for that overall long position.
Yeah, fair enough. The only annoying thing is, I always do this as well. 1.8 pips away from entry for the buys. Yeah, it'd be a break even though by now. So that's the issue here.
Right.
Well, actually, no, not quite. 0.77%. Not quite break even yet, but I'm pretty close to it. Well.
Okay, just smash through that area on GJ. Has GU done the same? Let's see.
Are you ready to catch a falling knife?
Hopefully not.
Oh, it looks like it's not going to be bloody falling, mate. So.
Hopefully not.
Okay, so that I guess I'll just take the sell limits away. I'll reconsider getting entering if it does drop, but we'll see.
Recording stopped.
How shall I word this in the chat? Should I say if you're bored with live stream?
Yeah, if you're bored, just jump on.
We're live trading. I'm gonna watch the thingies and see how many people actually join. We're live trading on YouTube for the next hour or so. I'm gonna watch the viewers and see how many actually join.
Still waiting for gold to drop here, all the way down to 1700, and then I'll buy up.
Yeah, GU smashed through an area as well. So the bullish pressure is strong. But there's another potential short area just above.
Ah, man, what to be 1%? Oil.
Well, what's going on with those?
This would have been a 1% already at GJ.
What's happened with it?
I missed it by 2 pips.
Right.
The entry. 1.4 actually, 1.4 pips. I knew there was a fake out play, but I guess I expected a deeper pullback than they wanted to give. So unfortunately, it's definitely.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so what happened here is we got left behind, unfortunately. So we were expecting, obviously, this fake out that I talked about. We were expecting a pullback. Unfortunately, I was waiting for not a much deeper pullback, just a slightly deeper one, like 1.4 away, 1.4 pips away, just down to here. It didn't quite tap it, and yeah, GJ's now running. I'm currently up around 25 pips, and yeah, that was all. So it would have been a 1-to-1 by now, to break even, making it a risk-free trade, potentially even close partials. But again, this is hindsight stuff. If we didn't wait there, entered early, then obviously we wouldn't be following our rules, we'd be following our plan. So not the look that you want to give anyway. So yeah, still happy with this trade regardless. It's just something to keep in mind of next time.
Recording stopped.
Sometimes it misses your entry.
Sometimes all I think about is you. What do you think of the videos, by the way?
That was a good one. I remember you were telling me you were looking for a song that had that tick, 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 and it lined up perfectly.
Yeah.
And I think you could have zoomed in more on certain trades.
I will.
It's so zoomed out.
Yeah, that's the draft. So I will zoom in more, so you just see the trade, and literally that's it. Because you don't really need to see other things. But yeah, and then the other one is like the slower version. So like I want to see what either a fast one or a slow one. For me, the fast one's more entertaining, and the fast one keeps you hooked up more.
Yeah.
Slow one, you kind of get bored halfway through it. To be honest, you're like, oh, okay. But the fast one, you're like, what to expect next? Oh, boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I will make it all the same length, but I'm gonna edit that on my laptop. This was edited on my laptop, but when I edit on my iPad, then it will look better.
It's a good flex of the trades as well, because
yeah,
if you actually look in the Discord group, you generally do win 80%, 90% of the trades. Prince Kumar said, please give an idea about US 30 and gold. Do you want to go ahead? You trade both of those, I think. Well, not US 30, but gold you do.
I don't actually do US 30. I was looking at doing US 30, but
I'll
Yeah.
share
Okay.
your
So
screen one sec. Go ahead. If Prince Kumar is
okay.
still
So a
in.
full breakdown of gold, right? So I trade quite different use levels. I use volume. I use quite a bit of that. But yeah, let's look at it the perspective of the weekly time frame first. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that we are generally quite bullish, bearish here. Making lower lows and lower highs. Very simple, very easy, straightforward thing to see. Over here now, we are met at kind of like a standstill between bulls and bears here. And we don't, it's holding quite well, as you can see in the previously, we've held this level quite well at 1700. 1680, 1700 around that level, and I'm expecting the same thing to happen now. However, you see, it wasn't just there; it was also back in 1st of March 20. We haven't. This is a major flaw for gold right here. So it's a great idea to look at buying areas around this level, looking at the daily time frame here. So on the daily time frame, not much you can see here. Potential targets that we can look for is obviously here. This is how I do it. So first I look for potential targets on higher time frames to see where the next possible area to look at is for gold, and then I look for setups on a lower time frame to kind of target those levels. So yeah, that's what we're looking for, potentially like 1727 for a long-term intraday perspective. As for 4 hour, so 4 hour, we are currently in a bit of a consolidation. So we have highs pointing over here and sells down here. And when it comes to consolidation, most people obviously know that the top bit, you have quite a lot of liquidity in the bottom bit as well. So in this one, we call it buy side liquidity. Over here in the bottom one, we put the sell side liquidity. So this is where it gets complicated. This is where I did a lot of my analysis already. You'll see it. To be fair, I posted on Discord actually. I forgot about that. Probably should have shown that. But yeah. So you can see that we have quite a bearish momentum here. However, you can see now that we have actually broken it and actually stayed above this trend line. As we speak right now, what I'm expecting is for the sell side liquidity to be taken to the downside, and then take out and potentially get supported by this level over here, and we might even potentially get a deeper pullback to retest this trend line as well before continuing back up. As I said, though, overall targets is the 1737, but as a safer target, as you can see on this level here, as we could see some sort of reaction around this level. It could be TP1 or however you want to put it. So yeah, intraday targets is 1727, intra-week is 1737, but overall very bullish on gold.
Nice. Overall bullish.
Bullish, but we're expecting a pullback down to 1700 first. I'm gonna get coffee though. Be right back.
Salma.
You enjoy.
Alright, so GU has tapped into the selling area, pushed downwards. We've left behind this 1 minute order block. So if price comes into this area, breaks the 1 minute candle low, I will be selling downwards. Stop loss will be half a pip above the high. Stop loss will be half a pip above the high. So it will look something like this. Targeting the 1 to 2. I mean, if I can get a 2 pip stop loss, I'll be happy. Most likely it'll be around 3. So 14863. Yeah, to make it easier to enter, just put your stop loss as half a pip above the actual order block. Then when you enter, just drag down the stop loss. This way you can avoid getting slipped, avoid, rushing into the trade, etc, etc.
Oopsies, I'm back.
He's back.
Sorry.
It's calm, bro. You're allowed coffee.
See, I don't know. To be honest, I think like making a coffee from like instant coffee is quicker than making it from a machine.
I wouldn't know. You tell me. Which one is faster?
I don't know. I'll time it. I'll let you know. Just instant coffee, you gotta do put the kettle on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But coffee, you gotta go like, all right, grind the beans. Okay, pat it down. Cool. Twist it.
I wish I could join in on this
Espresso.
combo, but I don't have coffee. I don't know.
Espresso. Get some ice from the fridge. I thought actually.
I guess
Hershey
it
syrup
depends.
on mine.
If you're putting all that stuff in, then yeah, it's gonna take time.
Yeah, but it tastes so much better. To be fair.
Yeah, if you mix everything up.
Yeah. Does it though? I know, but it gives you the right amount of espresso and the right amount of coffee every time. So I guess that's you get consistency,
You mean if
which
you
is
use the machine?
important. Yeah, you get consistency
Yeah.
if you use a machine. So
It
what
is
we
a
learned today
machine.
is screw. Don't trade manually. Just get an algo to do it for you.
Yeah, 100%.
That's the vibe we're getting. Is he still here, by the way? And where's he from? Yes.
Prince Kumar is probably Indian, but I think he might have left.
Oh, do you not interact?
No, he left ages ago, like a long time ago.
He just wanted perspective on gold. I'm guessing he just wanted compliments, actual compliments to what he was looking at, anyways.
Either that or you said the exact opposite to him and he left, and
Yeah, maybe.
he's like, "Fuck this guy, I'm going."
If I'd want them to just send the trade over and then I can laugh at it.
Actually, yeah, I should have told him to send a chart in. Wickstone Live vibes, innit? Don't wanna.
It's so much easier. You don't really drink coffee, do you?
Gee. Every once in a while. Like, you know the frappes Mackies sell?
To To be honest, I love those. But
They
I hate
are
those at the same
coffee, aren't
time.
they? Frappes are coffee.
They do, but they don't really. I swear they don't even put a thing on it.
Put what on it?
They're like coffee.
I'm sure
I
there's
don't
caffeine in
taste
there.
it. Well, I don't taste it, and what I don't feel it.
I just assumed because it's a frappe. It sounds like a Starbucks name, and I'm pretty sure someone's told me that there's coffee in it. It's banging though. You can't deny it tastes amazing.
It tastes great, yeah. But I can't. I don't wake up from it. That's the issue.
Oh yeah. I mean, who goes to Mackey's at 6 in the morning? Actually, some people probably do. 6 in the morning.
Breakfast in it. I was in Spain. I did. Anyways.
Yeah. Is their breakfast any good?
Bro, their breakfast is so much better there. You have donuts, like.
No way.
You have what was it like?
Wait, what?
American style buffalo chicken.
For
burger.
breakfast, buffalo for breakfast. No way.
Spain in it.
Jesus.
They had so much, man. Yeah. Like it was good. I think they had was it a strawberry like apple pie crust, but like strawberry.
Apple pie but strawberry, Matt.
So strawberry pie crust. There we go.
They're living 10 years ahead of us.
But it's probably just jam and a bit of strawberry bits, anyways. But yeah, I never tried that one. But their donuts, bro, were so nice. It was like donut stuffed with white chocolate.
Jeez.
And the other one is donut, but like encrusted around with white chocolate. Basically, white chocolate's a big theme there. Or it's just because maybe it's the things I picked out. Because I was like, that looks nice.
Maybe you like white chocolate, bro. So you.
Bro, I bought 4, and I was like, I want more. What's going on? But they're small ones, they're like little tiny donuts. Balls. 89 euro. Point 0.9. What's the like small currency for euro?
The small currency? I think.
Like,
I don't think there
example,
is one. I swear there
Is there
is.
not? Like cents or p?
There should be, but I've never actually heard anyone mention it.
No, I've never heard anything. 0.89 euros.
They just don't have change, bro. It's just.
They do.
However
I have
much it
some
is.
actually. But I still have it.
It's probably just in euros, like you know how we in Pakistan have just rupees. It must be something like that.
But rupees because like it's incredibly high.
Yeah.
It's like you get like 1,000 rupee bill, right?
Yeah, I mean it must just
Rupee.
be what the euro is doing though.
Mm.
Well, not
think so.
1,000. It just mean they probably don't have cents.
I'm pretty sure there's a 5,000 Philippine peso in Filipino peso bill.
Oh right, yeah. I think there's there's big ones like that. There's 10,000, 5,000.
Yeah.
I remember getting handed like 100 rupee bill. I was like, oh shit, bro, I'm rich. We made it.
1,000. It's not 5k. It's 1,000. There's a 500 one. So it goes 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000.
Yeah, ours is similar.
Bro, that's crazy, isn't it?
Imagine £1,000 bill, bro. Crazy.
It's not that much. That's the thing. It's not that much. But I remember growing up, when it's Christmas, you get money from your relatives.
Yeah.
They would always cheap out and just give you 50. Like, come on now.
Oh, you
It's
mean
not
in
that much.
the Philippines?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair, what is the
Over
average
there, maybe it's
salary? Yeah, maybe average salary in the Philippines.
I was talking
is
about here. Imagine £1,000 bill, bro.
per month. So per month,
Don't even know what color they would have that.
approximately 45,000 Philippine peso. The average salary in the Philippines, approximately monthly salary 45,000. There you go. That's 45k average, right? Oh no. I mean, to be fair, the spending, like the houses and stuff, probably takes 5k.
What was that? 45k average?
What's that in?
That's quite
pounds?
high, you know.
It is, isn't it? 44,600.
Actually, saying that, I don't know what it is in pounds.
£675, mate.
Mad. I don't know why I said it was high.
Because it sounds.
I think I was expecting you to say like 20,000, 10,000 pesos or whatever it is there.
In pounds. £689 per month is their salary.
It's crazy.
Damn. Oh, actually, another topic to talk about.
I mean, I think for there it must be high though, because like the prices are lower, aren't they?
Yeah, but I don't think it's a lot, though. That's the thing. It's higher than I expected, but I don't think it's a much
Mm.
more.
Like,
And that's like obviously average, but like for some reason, I feel like it's a bit skewed. I feel like there's actually a lot more people earning less than that every month than there are. I know it says average, but I feel like the extreme end of the richer side kind of tugs it along.
is that what you
But if you look at
reckon?
the median, I reckon it's actually a lot lower.
That could be a good shout, you know. That
Yeah.
could be a good shout.
Another thing to talk about is Wix Online partnered up with a funding thing, a
Oh, I
funding.
think I saw him say something about this.
Uh,
Let
how
me.
crazy is that?
Yeah, that's very crazy.
Because he doesn't like
After
funding.
slandering it for all this time.
He does not like funding people. He hates FTMO. He says no, get your own money first and then trade a big account. Now he's like, guys, I've got a great idea. Sign up to this.
Yeah, I think he was way too stubborn. Like if we were the same age as him and we've been doing it as long as him, maybe we would have said the same thing. Because if you think about it, if we
No.
when he became profitable, he did it the normal way, as in just growing and growing and growing. So then when funding came, he was probably like, there's probably like a, what do you call it? What's it called? Something on your shoulder.
Chip.
Chip on his shoulder, because he was like, fuck these guys, man. Took me this long. You gotta do it my way. What's going on?
Yeah. Yeah, but like back then, the best way to do it was exactly the same way. Was you get investors to invest for you.
Oh yeah, if you're going for the big,
Right.
that's true. That's a good point.
Most people would do that. Like if they would prove their skill with a smaller account, let's say 10,000, which is obviously still a lot bigger than most people would give out now. Like most people wouldn't even put 100 on it and be like, no, that's too much. I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
They want to start with 100. It's like that's too much money. But not like back then, they'll probably start with 10k of their own money. Save up, really save up, start 10k of their money, and then try potentially grow it to a certain amount. Go up to an investor, say, look, I've made my 10k into this. I'll do it the same for you.
Yeah.
Mostly go to their family or friends and stuff like that to start off with. Most of the time, that's how it used to start. I don't know how Wixon. I think Wixon I just said he just grew 5,000, deposited regularly and grew it.
Yeah.
Right?
I
That's what
believe
he
him,
said.
to be fair, because he's admitted that before trading he had a high-paying job.
Yeah.
Like,
He was in the oil rig, wasn't he?
oil rig, then he was a salesman of some sort, and then it was trading, I think.
Yeah. I mean, I get his point. Start off, make money. Because if you make money, it's actually easy to trade. That's a fact.
Yeah, bro, 100%. Like,
If you're making money, it's easier to trade because like it's just bonuses for you. It's like oh well, whatever. You're not
legit.
like personally invested in the money. That's where I
Yeah.
think like that's why getting money from investors also is a bit of a downfall though because you're more personally invested in the finance of it, especially if it's family and friends. You don't want to lose that money.
Yeah, I would never
Do you know what I mean?
say never say never, but I probably would never do family or friends.
No, I would.
Because it's like if you're seeing someone every day, then they're just there looking at the portfolio, like, bro.
drop it, yeah.
And then
like,
the way they talk to you changes every day. That would be peak.
someone joined the server, by the way.
Oh, boys. Sammy 2001M. Wow. I guess the chat worked.
So, I check. I can't check if anyone's on the stream. By the way, only you can.
It says only one, but
That's
maybe you
fine.
saw it through Instagram.
I'm not watching it. You.
That was me. I just went on it.
Okay.
To be fair,
But yeah.
it says one watching and I'm not on it. Like if I watch it through the,
So
the subscription.
that's what I
thing.
mean. Like in terms of like having a funding like myself though, like or being funded like myself, it's like you don't want to lose because you it's kind of like it's a bit like at the start it's over like what's it called? It's jarring. I don't know. What's another way for jarring? Because I think that's too British.
What are you trying to say?
It's like overwhelming to start off with. You start earning like you start making like £5 per day to all the way. Like if you skip obviously those steps of like making more money with your own trading, it goes from £5 to £10,000 in a month.
Yeah.
it gets a bit jarring or overwhelming. So
When,
like, I
yeah.
think that's why you say, "Oh, don't go funding talent, funding things."
I think he back
Um,
then he was very against it because of the demos though. Remember
like
like
people,
how
it's because like it would be technically a demo account.
yeah, and they openly even said, especially after Funding Talent, what they did.
Mm.
But like they openly
But funding
said,
talent, yeah, messed up.
yeah, they fucked up. And I reckon they were actually one of the first prop firms or the only prop firms he had on his live stream. I remember him
Right.
promoting them when they first came about.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know if yeah, you probably don't remember that, but
It left a sour taste in his mouth. Maybe I wasn't watching him.
I think even before then he might have had a slight, like I said, chip on his shoulder to prop firms.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because he started from nothing and then managed to grow his account
Yeah,
to
I
like
mean,
something bigger. So fair play to him. But like,
respect that
yeah.
he changed his mind. He's realized.
Well, no, the money probably changed his mind
Yeah, it
too. He
must
probably
have
got a
changed his
big
mind.
offering. He probably got like 500K in terms of sponsorship from them or something like that. Because they're about to make bank.
It's going to
Like,
be a
if did you
percentage,
see
isn't it?
did you see how they become a USP? How what their USP was? Well, their unique selling point was.
Well, what's the company?
So it's a fun. I forgot the thing, but the USP is basically you get a monthly salary whether you win or lose.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. I
So
just
I
don't
was
remember
like,
the company name.
I was gonna do. Remember when I was talking about it? I wanted to do something
Bro,
like that.
there's so many other ones like aside from FTMO. It's just that
Yeah,
that's the first one we saw, so we've sort of been hooked on it. And it's the
everything was
king.
very
And FTMO is the
recognizable.
king
Very
compared to all the other ones.
recognizable. Yeah.
But
There's more. There's not. There's more respect if you get an FDMO account rather than other ones. If you hear funding talent, you're like, ooh.
yeah, it's not
Yeah,
even about
actually no.
respect. It's about
Yeah.
respect. Like it's about how much
Trust.
you feel safe.
Yeah, the trust.
There's
Yeah.
something about FTMO where you don't even care. Like you
Yeah.
know, nearly 99% that you're gonna be paid.
99% of the time, yeah, unless you really make like 200K. What I think FTMO does in terms like wrong, I feel like the leaderboard. I feel it's fake. I feel like it's fake.
Nah, I don't think it's fake. I don't think
Maybe
it's fake.
like some people maybe get on that. Like I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel like it's fake. Bro, they must be over leveraging their account every single time.
I think
like 500K and they're making like 60K in a day. Nah, they're over leveraging.
I think they just don't withdraw though. I think every month they're just doing something like compounding it.
I don't think it comes up if it's compound. I'm pretty sure it basically starts off with a month and how much money you make in a month. I don't know how the leaderboard works, so it's just an accusation, really, nothing more. But yeah. I mean, it also gives you the idea, like, oh, I could be earning this much just to get an FTMO account, which is not true, not the case at all. Those people are either really, really good, like like top of like creme de la creme of trading,
Bro,
or they're really dumb and they got really lucky, or it's fake. Three scenarios.
But you'll be surprised at how many, these Asian traders, like I mean East Asian, like Chinese. I remember there's this championship sort of thing for trading,
Yeah.
where they give you an account,
You
or
gotta throw it.
you sign your account on, and you have to have a minimum of I think 10K on there, and they basically track your percentage gains for a whole year. Then at the end you get some sort of prize. It's a trophy and then some sort of. I was just on there as well. That's good time.
Oh,
But
you said that as well.
yeah, but they track your gains for the whole year. And I was looking on there. I was seeing some of the top guys. It's crazy. These are live accounts, racking it up. And I mean, when I say racking it up, I mean thousands of
Are they
percent.
scalping or are they like
It
holding
must be
trades?
scalping or they got an algo. I'm guessing with the percentage.
Oh, maybe
gains,
they fight algos or something.
with the gains they had, bro. It's crazy. And I looked at all the top people. It was always a Chinese guy, a Japanese guy, or something like that.
Definitely not Filipino. Astra went into the
Maybe
Philippines.
there was a
actually.
Filipino. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure Astra went to the Philippines once.
I
By
can
the way.
search it up now. But not doing anything yet.
Yeah.
If I put trading view on the side.
So either way, if anyone is watching this back, we are just literally just waiting for a trade. That's why we're just talking. This is the reality of trading. You don't always get a trade all the time. Like you're just chilling, watching
Yeah.
the trade.
That's
Maybe
why-
you can
yeah.
do something productive, like I don't know, a back test or something. But that's up to you.
That's why it's good to have a friend to do it with. Otherwise, you will get bored.
Yeah.
Or a stream.
Community. Our community.
That's it.
Join the Discord.
Legit. Alright, that was
Yeah.
okay, so now GU, actually I forget the trading cup for a minute.
Yeah.
GU, we now have options on both sides. We have came into the buying area and left behind a 1 minute order block.
Yeah.
We've already entered the sell area, left behind a selling area on the 1 minute. So either way, whichever way we come, once the 1 minute candle breaks the previous candle's low or the previous candle's high from the downside, I will be selling. So it looks something like this or something like this. Stop loss half a pip below. So we are ready. We are ready.
Are indeed ready. Bro, your face just seems to do so much better than my one.
My what?
Because the reels, you've doubled my viewers on your
Really?
reel than mine.
What is it now on the? I swear
Yours
it
is
was
22, mine's 11.
No way, it's on 22.
Yeah, yours is 22, mine's 11.
I don't think Instagram counts. I think it only counts unique viewers as well, doesn't it? I swear.
I don't know. I think it watches rewatch. That's why I want to do a loop, kind of.
What? Just so you keep racking it up.
No. I want to try to. Well, first creativity. I want to see if I can make a loop out of trading because I don't think I've seen a loop out of trading. I've seen loops of like people and stuff.
Yeah. When you say loop,
You know
do
what
you
I
mean
mean by
something
loop?
that like links back to the start of the
Exactly.
video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, it's seamless, so you can't tell that you
they're
actually rewatched
sick,
it.
man. They're so satisfying, those videos.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I want to make one. And yeah, so I think it counts rewatches as well. I'm not too sure. As in, like, if you watched it back again and again and again. I'm not too sure though. Again, don't quote me on that.
Yeah.
In terms of actually things I've learned though is one, using the same hashtag apparently decreases your chances of being found in those hashtags. It's like it's not a shadow ban apparently, but it's like close to a shadow ban where you're less visible if you use the same hashtags over and over.
Yeah.
Because it's more you're either seen as a spam or like a bot.
Hold up.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, we need to create a rule where if someone's about to enter, they just cut off the other person. No matter what they're saying, they're just like, "Shut up, I'm entering now."
Oh yeah, go for it. Just say, man, I'm about to enter.
That's tricky, innit? If someone's told you don't want to cut them off, it's annoying.
No, it's fine. It's fine. The importance of streaming.
Hold up. 14656. It's still in the middle. It's just it nearly entered. I mean, sorry, it nearly came down. 14651. That's very interesting.
Let's see, what's he looking for in GU? Looking to sell in GU.
You know what? I might just stay on MT5 because it looks decent anyway. Saves me flicking from trading view all the time.
Oh.
The only thing is that there's no alerts.
Alerts on your phone or something up there.
Yeah, no, that's true. Keep you there. Alright, so we've got the area now. If GU enters, breaks the high, I will be entering. Alright, we already done it.
Stop, lost this candle low.
Actually, no, I sort of need both. I need it for the video. I need both.
Yeah.
I'll just put it there. I'm gonna put it here.
Being a 10 pip stop loss for 20 pips. Take profit.
Alright, we're nearly breaking the high. Well, the next candle is about to close.
Oh, I was wrong. You look at the 1 minute, not the 5. Not a 10 pip. Not 10 pip stop loss. Wrong. 4.5.
Damn, 10 pips, bro. Adil Mustafa having a 10 pip stop loss.
Yeah, that's not right. Something's
You,
wrong. I can feel it.
bro, you're living in 2020. What's going on? What's going on?
Living in 2018, mate. Yeah.
Didn't even start then. What are you on about? 2018. Yeah, I started late 2019.
Oh,
Okay, so we violated that
that's
buying
true.
area.
Yeah.
That's why you wait for the break of the candle high.
Yep, that would have been a fat L.
Yeah.
This is why you don't manage your risk.
I didn't even enter.
Never
What do you mean
manage
manage
your
your
risk.
risk?
Hashtag never manage your risk. Yeah, people who manage their risk are losers, bro.
I know, right? I know, right?
Bloody losers, mate.
Violates 99% of the community. Come on, bro.
You gotta say something out there, so like.
Just don't have a stop loss.
Come,
Out of
come to
all
your
the
stream.
things you could say, just don't have a stop loss, guys.
Bro, they come to your stream just to hate you. I'm like, well, I'm getting viewers, mate. What are you talking about? I'm getting viewers. What are you doing? Really funny, yeah.
Sleeping like a dick.
Facts. It is a Monday, so it's supposed to be a slow day. So like, you know, it's fine. This is how it's supposed to be. We already have a video lined up for tonight, anyways, or yeah, on and so forth. So. Oh, deal. Why is backtesting so important?
Oh, good thing you asked. Why is backtesting so important?
Why do you
Backtesting
backtest
removes the worry from your live trading. Not 100%, but the main point is that you end up seeing the same scenario happen 100 times, 1,000 times, 50 times, however much you want to backtest. At least doing a little is good because you end up seeing the scenario play out so many times. It gets fixed in your head. So when it happens in the live markets, the stress is reduced massively. Then you can enter without your emotions getting involved because you're like, I've seen this before. This has happened before. That's my take on it. I think that's the main reason you would do it. And of course, to see if your strategy is even profitable.
Yeah,
I guess those two reasons are the main point of backtesting, in my opinion.
Yeah, that's fair enough. That's a good way.
What do you
That's a good
think?
take.
What do you reckon?
So, personally, I feel like with any thing you get into, activity, sports, the job, you won't get good at it unless you put in the hours, unless you put in the work. And like, well, let's say like you want to be a pro basketball player. How are you gonna get good if all you do is just play against someone 1v1 or even 5v5? That's it. But you don't go to practice. You don't set the fundamentals in. You don't practice the playbook. Let's say. Then, you'll get lost. Really, like that's how I see it. Is you won't get. You won't get better. Obviously, you'll still get better because you still get practice. Like it's the same thing as doing it in live trading. You still get better, obviously, doing live trading. But you won't get as good if you put in the work outside of that live trading. For example, backtesting and stuff like that. That's how I see it, anyways.
That's a good point. It speeds up your growth.
Yeah, it speeds it up, and like it sharpens your knives and it sharpens, your instincts as well when it comes to trading to some extent. I see.
That's a good way of putting it. Like if you get one person who, let's say, he doesn't like backtesting, or he tells himself he doesn't like backtesting, so he does, let's say, 2 trades a day for the whole year. At the end of the year, he's got what? How many? About 500 pieces of data. I think it's 250 trading days in a year, somewhere around there. 500 pieces of data. You get another guy who does
at most, by the way, at most. He might not even get 2 trades.
That's if he gets 2 trades every single day.
Exactly.
Let's say you get another guy who just backtests. I don't know. He sets himself a target: 20 trades a day backtesting. Which, when you're backtesting, if you have a not decent, but let's say a lower time frame strategy, it doesn't take that long to do 20 trades a day backtesting. And this guy sets himself a target. Okay, every day I'm going to do 20 backtests a day. By the end of the year, this guy has about over 7,000 pieces of data from setting that
Right.
small target, 20 a day.
Exactly, yeah.
He has 7,000. The other guy has 500. So who's
Exactly.
gonna grow faster? Who's gonna have more data? Who's gonna know more about this strategy?
Yeah,
It's obviously the
exactly.
second guy.
And as well, who's actually got more experience of staying consistent? Because in backtesting, I mean, yeah, the only way a backtesting won't work if you keep lying to yourself. But let's say you don't, right? Let's say you don't lie to yourself and you actually keep your backtest as accurately as possible. Then, like, you're gonna know your strategy inside and out, and you're gonna be able to keep your strategy going, even in live trading, when if you backtest enough. But if let's say you don't do backtesting and you only have like 250 points, 500 data points, then you're just gonna you're just trying to figure out your strategy along the way, and you're going like, oh, actually, I might do this next time, I might do that,
Yeah.
without knowing really like what the effects of it is. You know, it's kind of like that. So yeah, you don't know what the effects of your decisions will make in trading. Let's say you say, oh, from now on I'm gonna move it to break even because last time I saw that it went back to my it went back to my entry and then tapped me out. This time move it to break even. Like, you don't know what the percentage of times that it will actually win or lose in that thing. But if you back test, then you have an idea. Obviously, you won't know exactly, but you have an idea.
Yeah. All right. GU pushed up again. So if we come back down here, I will buy if we break the candle high.
Oh, we're still going. Oh, look at that.
Shutting like dish. Doosh, 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 doosh.
Candle high, 2 pip, 2 pip stop loss. Oh, 3 pip stop loss.
1 pip stop loss. Oh wait, TP's already been.
TP's it now. Nice.
Not
with the spreads. Not with the spread, bro. Not with the spread.
There
you go.
Oh yeah, I was looking at Vantage the other day, or not the other day, yesterday. There's a system they have in place where you can. Have you seen eToro?
Yeah.
You know their copy trader system.
Yeah.
Vantage have their own version of it as well.
Okay. Might be something we need to look at.
Yeah.
I'll talk
to you about it after the stream, but it's quite interesting. It's an easy way for people to follow along.
Yeah.
On their trades. Vantage looks clean as well. I've downloaded their app. It looks so amazing.
No, you don't think IC market looks clean?
Have you seen Vantages?
Yeah.
IC is good as well.
I think Vantage is one of those, like, I think it's one of the top
it must be,
retail brokers, just because of the amount of one, they pay out a lot in affiliate. That's why everyone keeps showing their faces.
That's true.
Because their affiliate marketing is insanely high. Their payout is insanely high compared to IC. There we go. Entered. Break even already soon. Jesus Christ.
Who you have?
No, you are GE, aren't you?
No, it missed my entry. Hasn't come down.
Oh, damn.
But we still ready on both sides.
That's what I was gonna do. Look, this is what I was planning to do.
Jesus.
I thought this is what you're doing, bro. I thought you were buying from here.
Nah, it didn't come down into my area.
Ah, okay. Well, I would have hit my TP. I thought you were looking for it to break this candle high over here.
One sec.
Nah,
I see what you're talking about. Nah, it wasn't that one. It was I needed it to come down. And then
that sucks. Unlucky.
Nah, it's not unlucky. Still got
man, like
potential sells, bro. Don't worry.
No, I mean, yeah, lucky they didn't go down to your area.
1 minute. Where's? Yeah, that is unlucky.
Oh, GG still left me. Unbelievable.
45, 6.
And then gold pushed up as well. Oh wow, market's really moving mad right now.
Yeah. What, is everything else pushing up as well?
Yeah, everything pushed up.
I see.
Except for GA. Wow.
Well,
of
GA
course.
is just an oddball, bro. It's the odd one out.
Right, it's always on crack, man. For some reason, GA is always the one that goes like, you know what? No, not today. I don't want to do what everyone else does.
Not today,
I want to be a different guy. I mean, pushed up beforehand actually, but yeah. 36 push. 36 pip push at its peak. It's crazy. Crypto pushing down. So sorry, you entering.
No, not yet. It's in the middle. Hey, hey, hey. We buy here, we sell here. Simple.
Okay. I'm looking for a way to buy up in GJ. I'll see again though. It's just 2 bullets right now. 8 minutes for it to finish above. A fake out. That'll be 2 fake outs in GJ actually. That'd be crazy.
Dun, dun, dun. GU, are you going to do something today?
Probably not, no.
Are you going to move more than 10 pips?
No, don't want to.
In any given direction?
Bro, shut up. He shut up.
No, then it was like, nah. Then it was like, nah, allow it. CBA. Bitch, you thought? Thought I was gonna do something.
Oof. It's actually a mad one right now. Only 39 pips. I may have exaggerated how good it was. For me? I guess he's not turned to.
Oh, what? No, I'm not. Not yet.
Come on, gold. Break the sell side liquidity, please. Greatly appreciated.
Just remove this whole grid. Get out of here.
Crypto's hype has died down so much. I don't hear anyone talking about crypto anymore.
Same.
How it's going to be the next revolutionary thing there.
That's true.
It was only 3 months ago where I was saying, this is the future, guys. Now it's like, what was that? What was that phase? Never heard of it. Not me.
Everyone's got PTSD from it now. The ones who messed up.
So much money from it, man.
But on the
So
same
much.
side, it made a lot of people very wealthy.
Yeah, like supercar, like what's it called? Supercar purchases probably increased 200% or something.
I can probably check that somewhere. I rate it though. Fair enough. Get your bag in it. Whoever did it.
100%. Six range for NAS 100. I'm gonna start trading USA. I reckon I'm gonna backtest that for like 6 months or something, and then start trading.
Mm.
That'll be my next US 30.
The big boy.
Yeah, because it seems to be a popular thing to trade nowadays. You know.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of big ones doing it. Like Q Banks, I think. At least when I checked his account, he posted a lot of them.
So I think you can get so much. Just yeah, so much money out of there. I reckon. No way. Donvo's 22 years old.
I mean, he does look young.
Yeah, true, but like, damn.
Well, what did you think?
I thought he was 25.
I would have said less. I would have said he's like 20, our age.
Really? I mean, he is kind of our age as well. It's not that far. Crazy
Yeah.
though. It's a madness.
Is he just trading now? Or is he studying or?
No, he's full trading now. He's been full-time trading for quite some time, I feel like.
Yeah. He's a
He's
legend.
an entertaining guy. He's such an entertaining guy, man.
Yeah, he's a legend. He took what Wigston Lie did with his streams and he made it like 10 times better. Like the way he does it. And
He
everything.
did, because it's not boring.
I mean, to be fair, I've never been on a stream.
I've
just seen the
It's
short
really good.
clips. Is it good?
Nah, I've seen it. This stream is really good, actually.
Yeah. I've just seen the short clips. But
He's one. I don't think he ever runs out of things to say, which is crazy.
Is it?
Yeah.
What you mean? As in, there's no gaps at all.
And to be fair, he practices what you preach. So like, he always like just focus on strategy, nothing else. Like, he's really good at that.
You mean
It's like
as in,
Wigston Lie.
there's no fundamentals like?
Like he wouldn't. He's never. Every time I watch him. It's obviously not a lot, so my sample size isn't a lot. But like every time I do watch him, he's always using the same strategy. The thing he calls a playbook or something that he
I've
he
seen
just
that.
focuses on.
The onion,
Every time.
the onion.
Onion, celery, all them things. Yeah, it's like, yeah, he focuses on his playbook quite a bit.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Whereas like, well, Winston like would sometimes say, okay, move your stops here, or don't move your stops here. Just wait for it, and like sometimes deviate from it. I feel like it's because he's got the experience to deviate from his strategy normally, because he's seen it play out so many times. Like, this is what normally happens, so
Yeah.
I'm going to stick to this, even though like I'm going away from my strategy, but still. But he doesn't. Maybe over time he will, because obviously he gets the more experience and stuff. But
Yeah.
still, really good though. Definitely recommend him for like if anyone's starting out trading or a free signal. He's the
Yeah.
one to go to,
Danvo.
because his strategy is easy to follow. Like, so easy to follow.
Yeah, I think that's what's best for live streams. You need something that's a system, easy to follow. Do this when this
Yeah.
happens. Do this when this happens.
For this one, he would probably look for a fake out for the cells here.
You mean on GU?
Because of the daily bias and the weekly bias and so on and so forth.
Hmm.
Actually, no, daily bias is bullish. So what he would probably go for is like either a fake out for the buys or a continuation for the buys. He wouldn't look for sells. That's, I think, from what I've gathered anyways. Again, I don't know strategy inside out, but from what I've seen.
So he looks at the higher time frames then, like daily and
He
weekly.
looks at the daily bias, I think, when he calls it, yeah. Which, to be fair, it makes sense because, like, most of the time you don't really see a candle flipping. I don't really see daily candles flipping often, to be honest. Once it chooses direction, it tends to stick to that direction. From what I've seen. But yeah, smart. It's very smart, man.
He has a signals group, doesn't he, or something like that? How does his work? Does he copy him over to your account?
I don't know, man.
I have to check it out.
I think just the way we do it, just sends the screenshot over.
I'm just trying to figure out a clean way. If I ever was to do that, like as in trade other people's money for them in a proper way, what I would probably do is put it all into one account, or maybe two accounts, just so when the trades are getting copied over, there's no lag.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Sell-side liquidity has been taken for GA. I'm looking for actually selling bias to continue. Actually, I know that daily, as I saw, like daily net bet rarely flips, but I'm not Bongo, I'm not controller FX, so I don't follow that. No, but I'm looking. I'm looking for GA to flip around this volume void over here to fill up this volume because over here on the left, and then continue down potentially on the way to where sell side liquidity was taken. But ideal scenario would obviously be for that level to be broken and continue down. As for, I'm not actually recording, so I'm speaking for no reason. That's a blue bar. God damn.
Fuck that, bro. What's going on?
Jesus. What? Kill me. Alright, let me actually record now. Again, speak when you want to, obviously.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so a second opportunity here for GA. Let's hope we don't get missed out this time. So GA, we're looking at selling around 1.69602. That's because, as you can see here, there has been consolidation around this level, top of 169.312 and the bottoms of 1.68877. However, as you can see, sell side liquidity has been taken down here. So if I just mark it down, actually just to make it simpler over here. So this is where most of the sell side liquidity would be once it gets tapped and broken, and that's where it did. And however, as you can see, price quickly reversed all the way up over here. Now what I'm expecting is for buy side liquidity to also be taken. As you can see, it's getting taken as we speak. If price does finish within 15 minutes of this level, then yeah, sell side buy side liquidity has been taken. But I'm expecting it to continue up all the way up to this volume void that I've marked out here, and 50% of the volume void, just as an average. Place an entry around the average of that volume void, which is around 169,600, as I said. And what we're expecting is for price to push down from there, potentially back down to these lows. But obviously, ideal scenario would be to continue further down. I don't know exactly where yet, but yeah, hopefully we break that level, and yeah, we'll just move our stop loss and manage our risk, and taking as much money as we can from the market. So yeah, that's the idea. We'll see, and I'll record it once we are tapped in.
Recording stopped.
I speak quick,
It's necessary.
I can just speed it up, though. That's the thing. I don't know why I speak. I just speak quick most of the time. So yeah, I don't know why. I don't know.
It's perfect for the video, man. Pop, 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 pop. They ain't clicking off.
Boom, boom, boom. Pop, pop. Scrap.
Fire on the charts, bro.
Yeah.
No, fire in the booth, fire in the charts.
I need to look for more songs. Bro, if you listen to all the saved audio that I've created, and there'll be a few of people like, you know what, I'm sick.
You mean on Epidemic?
No. On Instagram, G. Here you go, here's a few. So this one I want. Again, it's exactly the same. You know what I made already.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, just about.
Yeah, I did. Okay. And then maybe.
That one, yeah. I can imagine that being good.
Yeah.
But is this, can I see it on Instagram? Have you just sent
You can,
it?
yeah, it's Enigma saved, yeah.
Right, okay.
Pretty good, bro.
So
Pretty
you
good.
Save the audio.
Yeah. You can save audio on Instagram. It's pretty cool. Oh, also, we need to get TikTok as well.
Yeah, we do.
Just you can't beat exposure on TikTok. You just can't.
No, yeah.
No one's beating.
From what I've heard as well, everyone's first video pops off. That's what I've heard.
Oh, so we gotta make the banging TikTok where we
make
plug
sure-
everything.
Make sure the first video is
Join
amazing.
Discord here. Join YouTube.
Legit.
He's gotta bang it out, bro.
Yeah, the algorithm is.
I guess the idea is you have to make good videos from the very start, so people continue and follow and
Yeah.
continue to watch your shit. And yeah, really, yeah. I got another video for like letting blank trade for me, letting my little brother trade for me. Oh, banger!
That'll be interesting.
I'd be like,
EJ trades EJ. That's the one, bro. That's
oh gosh. That's actually a good shout, yeah, letting him trade only EJ. Yeah. Question is, should I let them trade FTMO or cash?
I would do cash. But that's up to you. Where do you find the saved audio? Is it?
So you go on settings and then saved. So go on our profile, that 3 dash things. Don't go on settings actually. That 3 dash on the top right, and then put saved.
I found it.
And then audio. Welcome to the pod.
Oh my god, why did you say this one? The OG.
It's for the
OG.
different shots, isn't it? Different shots.
Yeah, these are some good ones. When you saved it, did you like click on videos and then go click on the audio at the top?
So if you go on their reels, right? So you go on reels.
You just click on their audio at the top.
Yeah, just click on the audio at the bottom. Yeah.
Original audio. Yeah, I got it. That's pretty simple.
And then save. 3, 2, 1, bang.
Thomas Shelby. Oh, I don't mind getting him on the.
Have you heard of him?
What?
So have you watched Peaky Blinders?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Peaky Blinders is amazing. It's
it
finished
got
now.
stale though. It got really stale after a while.
Nah, bro, it was good. Yeah, it's just the bad people were like, "Oh, it's too political," just because they couldn't understand it. Like,
no, I don't care about the politics of it, bro. It just got so not predictable, but almost like repetitive. After a while.
was it?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I think was it you said this to me? They were like,
after season 3, bro.
Big enemy gets bigger. Enemy gets bigger.
Nah, that's not me. That wasn't me. No.
Someone was saying to me, they said, "Oh yeah, it's repetitive because every season they just introduce a bigger enemy, and then he beats them. Then there's a bigger enemy."
I guess. I mean, it starts off with some gang rivalry and turns in and then just obviously it turns into a bigger gang, and then the bigger gang turns to an even bigger gang, and then turns to the whole country. I mean, yeah, alright.
But that's what makes it so good, because he starts off as just his like a little illegal gambling place in Birmingham.
What I'm saying is, you could have just stick to like whatever he was doing, like accounting. I don't know what he was doing, that business, and just steered away from. Like, you actually could have went straight from there. Would have been making bank anyways.
From what?
He didn't need to go into the illegal stuff, like get in with the Italians and stuff. Do you know what I mean?
But the whole point is that he just wants to he wants more and more power.
Oh, that's the issue, isn't it? Just greedy bastard, bro.
Yeah, but I mean that's most successful people, isn't it? You just keep going. You want more.
Yeah, but not illegally. Like,
No, but that was legally. That's the thing. He was working for Churchill, the government.
He was, yeah. After a while, yeah.
Yeah, that's the point. Like he went legal.
He was recognized from the very start because he was in the Psalms, wasn't he?
He was a soldier, yeah, something like that.
Yeah. I think one of the baddest, most baddest lines, you know what I mean, was when he was like, "When I got shot, they gave me a medal. What about you?" Like something like that.
So, like, when he walks into the office.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Because she got shot by that girl. Also, that love interest. What happened?
No, I don't think we're thinking about the same scene. Which one are you on about?
When he was in hospital because he got beaten up by the Irish cop guy. He got beaten up.
Oh, was he talking to
the Irish cop told the people to beat him up or something? I don't know.
Oh, so this is early on. I thought you were talking about there's another scene in the later seasons where he walks into one of the politicians' office, and he's a guy he was in the war, but he was on the horses.
Yeah.
He's basically saying, "You guys came in on your horses. We were on the ground actually doing stuff." And he was talking about how they always came late. The guys on the horses always turned up a bit too late.
Even though they were on horses, that's crazy. The disrespect.
So that's why and then he slammed his stuff on his desk and etc. etc.
Why? Because we can. Because we can.
By order of the Peaky fucking Blinders. Arthur Chamby's the
honestly,
man.
I love when they said that. It was like, I know it's a bit cringe, but like when they were saying it, it's kind of. I was like, yeah, that's sick.
In the scene, it makes sense. Whenever they say in the
Yeah,
scene,
yeah. They're all big in
it's
that
just
until
mobster vibes, isn't it? Those movies are always sick. Godfather, what was the other one? Have you seen The Gentleman?
Gentleman.
What's it called, The Gentleman? Who's the director, man? I forgot his name. There's a really good movie on, I think it was on Netflix, The Gentleman.
I know Goodfellas, I know that mobster vibes, but
Who's The
Godfather, I know that.
Gentleman? What's it? Netflix.
I know mobster vibe, but I know Wolf Wall Street, bro. That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's The Gentleman. You should watch it, man. It's amazing.
I'm not really into the whole like mobster gang vibes. I can't lie.
Really, they're the best ones, man.
Yeah, I'm not into the whole violence thing, bro.
What? What do you mean? Wait, what do you watch then?
What?
What do you watch then?
Bro, I don't watch much. Yeah, Sidemen. Watch Sidemen.
Oh, fair enough.
I'll openly say it on stream, bro. I watch Sidemen sometimes. Alright, they're great. They're funny.
Yeah,
okay?
occasionally I do too. To be
They're
fair,
probably gonna be like broken up soon anyway, so I might as well enjoy it while they're still, still making videos and that. So yeah,
yeah.
they're probably gonna be broken.
I say the main videos that I really actually watch now is just the KSI ones, as in his actual
KSI?
videos. The Sidemen themselves, most of them are dead, man. Like, what's the most recent one? 100,000, 10,000. They reused the same idea like a million times.
To be fair, they are running out of ideas.
Every time I see it's like mukbang, colors. I was like, bro.
That's
For
not
kids,
true. I mean,
for kids it must work somehow. I don't. They must just keep watching it.
nah, yeah, I love watching the when they go out drinking.
Oh, the holidays, you mean?
Pub golf and all them.
Yeah.
But they can't keep doing that though because I mean, they become a public scene too much.
They must have some. I think the way they do it is they have like one banger video a month, and the rest are like filler videos, easy to.
Yeah, because they can't just keep pumping out bangers, man.
Because they asked a while ago. I remember someone talking about. They said, "Guys, do you want us to do one big video every month, like Mr. Beast, or one big video and the rest are just fillers?" So that's. I reckon one big video a month would be better.
I mean, bear in mind they're also doing other things like sidemen like reacts or
Oh yeah, 100%.
things like that. And they're also probably thinking of business ideas and having meetings about business ideas, which probably takes time as well. They can't just keep recording and making better videos.
Yeah,
I think
100%.
they're past the point of they're just YouTubers. They got so many other things to do.
But they've got their own restaurant now.
Yeah, they got sides, but they're not really running that though. I bet they should franchise that though. I bet you so many people.
I think
so
that
many
is
people will do that.
how they do it. I think the way they do it is you
They
have
just
the company.
send off the brand. Yeah.
Look, you've got already existing restaurants and takeaways,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they just
yeah.
ask them, or they come to them the other way around, and they say, "Will you serve our product? Make it for us. We'll give you this percentage. We'll send you the ingredients."
Yeah.
So it's like
Well,
a
they have
franchise,
to buy the
but
ingredients from them. Yeah.
so it's slightly different where the restaurant's already there. They just hire someone else.
Sick
to-
idea though. I mean, it all relies on how popular they are. Though. That's the issue with that. Whereas McDonald's is such a recognizable brand now, as a food place, they don't need influencers to really like make them more popular. Really.
Yeah.
Whereas sides 100% rely on their influence, like Sidemen itself.
Yeah.
So
That's true.
that's the issue.
I mean,
As soon as they fall off, that's a loss on investment for sure.
yeah.
For sure.
I mean, if they've been going, I doubt they're gonna fall off in that way.
What the fact that
I
they
think
just,
they're those types of
obscurity.
people. They're those types of people. I think if they ever fell off, they would know how to get back up.
Yeah, I know they're not saying no, but like Beta Squad, for example, they fell off. Like, bro, I don't even hear anything about Beta Squad anymore.
I mean,
The only time I
now
watch,
they've started posting more.
Are they? Because the only time I hear Philly and like Chunks is when they're in a Sidemen video, bro. That's it.
Yeah.
I
No,
don't
if you
see- I don't
go
see
on their channel, they've actually started uploading properly. I think
Yeah, but how many
I don't know
views?
if they signed a deal or something, but they've got proper sets now, proper studios.
Also, they're trying to up the level again, just like.
Yeah, like they're competition now to Sidemen. They're legit competition.
I mean, to be fair, they post every week and they get like 3.3 million and
Yeah.
3.6, 3.8. So they're consistent. They're consistent, to be fair.
If you think about it, everyone in that group, most people in that group are actually fairly famous as well. You got Nico. There's two that aren't, but you got Nico who's massive.
Darkest isn't because he doesn't have his own thing, doesn't he? He doesn't have his channel.
Who?
Darkest.
Oh no, he's not in their squad though. The actual.
Is he not?
Yeah, nah.
I
No, but
thought
I'll
he
say if you
was.
think they got some like famous people. First, I used to think, oh, most of these guys aren't famous. It's just Chunks really. But when you think about it, you got Chunks, who's massive.
Philly.
Nah, he's not in it either.
What the hell
They
is
just
Beta Squad
they
then?
need to get him in. They should get Philly and Darkest to
Nah,
join.
Philly is in there, bro. I swear.
He's not. He's not.
Is he not?
He's not in it. They should just to get 7 people at the sidemen. I think they should sign on Philly and Darkest.
Nah, I could have sworn Philly's it because he seems at every video he's on there, bro.
Nah, he's a guest. That's how he appears on there.
So Philly just like his own channel then?
Yeah. He more appears on other people's channels and stuff. You know, like Foot
What about
Asylum.
Harry? Is Harry in there?
Nah, they're all mates. But that's what I'm saying. They need to get these guys on. Make the group a bit bigger.
Oh yeah, no, it's Nico, Chunks, AJ, Sharky, and King Kenny.
Yeah, that's it.
Bro, they need Harry. Like, Harry and Philly is probably the most recognized. I thought they were.
Or
the base
even
squad.
Darkest Man. They need to sign at least one of these guys. They need to get on
Yeah.
as an actual member.
Nah, they ain't competing unless they got Philly and Harry. They ain't competing.
Yeah.
And I reckon you know what, as a nephew to Beta Squad, I reckon they should sign Harry. Harry would be sick in the side man. I can't lie.
Panera.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a legend.
HP. He's funny. He would be sick in the
How
side
old?
man.
I think he's a bit older than all of them, but he's funny as
Yeah.
hell.
Pretty sure he had a good job as well outside of YouTube at the time. Because he went to Philly and go like, well, when I was someone before YouTube. What about you?
Did Harry say that or Philly?
Harry said that to Philly.
Really? Oh, yeah, he was on Instagram, I think, making
No,
funny
I was
videos.
someone. He was like, no, I was someone before YouTube. Yeah.
I think I know which one you're on about. Is it when Philly goes, mate, you just got into money? Something like that.
Yeah.
He says,
Yeah,
mate,
yeah,
you
yeah.
just ran into money. Like, oh, you did.
Look at this. Yeah, because he's like he didn't know what the capital of Dubai, even though it was a correct question.
Yeah,
Capital of
yeah.
Dubai
He was
was.
like, should I buy a rollie? Should I do? He's like, stop flexing, but you just got money. You know?
You just got into money,
That's
bro.
the biggest shutdown I've ever seen.
Yeah, he was like, yeah, I was someone before this.
Yeah. I mean, if you think, that's what I was saying, like, Chunks is big, Nico's big, Kenny's quite big now, think about it, with the boxing and everything.
They ain't as big as like. Who's the weakest side man?
In
Josh?
terms of how famous they are.
In terms of popularity, Josh? Nah, no. Toby's coming up there.
Toby's
to be fair.
starting
coming
to,
up.
you know...
Toby's coming up there because of his moves, like, and
Yeah,
because of the
especially
20
that
20
Tinder,
versus-
bro. Especially
Yeah,
that
that Tinder he popped off. Yeah. It's probably Josh now. Then I'd say,
Who else is
or
there?
Ethan. But no,
I
Ethan,
think it's
'cause he-
Ethan. I think Ethan's just a dickhead. He
But
doesn't-
no, Ethan's popping off as well because of Fate as well.
Oh, I don't know why I called him a dickhead there, but... No, I think Ethan, he's not doing anything, bro. Does he even post on his main?
Nah, none of it. Harry doesn't.
Yeah, but he was already massive. I feel like with
Yeah.
Ethan and Josh posts a
Between
lot.
Ethan and Josh. It's not Ethan and Josh between.
Ethan's being a bit too lazy. I'm like, come on, bro. You're the one who's the motivational guy. You used to be fat and then you sorted it out. You
He's
start
got enough
posting more.
money, bro. He's got enough money. I'm telling you, from side men only. He doesn't need it anymore. I feel like.
No, not even for the money. I'm not on about the money. I'm saying like you're part of the side,
Content.
man. You should be keeping up your side of the bargain, really.
No, he turns up to shoots and that's
Yeah.
that's a job. Yeah.
But
That's his
don't you
job, really.
think if KSI, let's say KSI and Harry just didn't turn up to videos suddenly, who would you be
I
there
reckon
for?
they survive. I reckon they survive.
Yeah, but
you know?
would you be there for Ethan or would you be there for the other guys?
No, I'd still. For Ethan or for the other guys. Who would I be?
It would
there
be the
for
other
to
guys,
watch
wouldn't it? Someone from the other guys.
To be honest, I'd probably be there for like Simon maybe. I think Simon is one
He's
of the
alright.
funniest ones.
He's alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Ethan is alright as well, I guess. I mean.
I just think some
Nah.
people in there are working harder than others.
Oh yeah, 100%. I mean, not everyone's got the same work. I think Ethan's burned out and he's just trying to pump videos out now
Maybe,
with his
yeah.
side men. I think you can tell he's kind of burnt out.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, you can tell he's
From
burnt
what
out.
though? Like, what's he doing?
I don't know. Like every time I scroll YouTube Shorts, yeah, I just see like him just like.
He looks a
"Oh,
bit
I'm
tired. Is that what you mean?
He's just tired.
I get
just
what you
wanna be
mean,
there
yeah, yeah.
anymore. Like, I mean, fair, bro. I'm surprised not all of them are burnt out. They probably all are. They're just good at hiding it. But I would have been done, bro.
Yeah, I mean,
What have you been at
yeah.
10 years now?
I think at this
10
point
years.
they know how to take care of themselves, innit? Bro, you see them all in the gym now, innit? Everyone's getting whammed. Like.
Yeah, that's not the solution for everything though. Gym's not the solution for everything. Obviously it helps, but like, nah.
No, but I mean,
Still
like,
burnt
even in
out.
terms of spare time, they probably know how to spend it in the right way so that they get recharged. Like, they're like, okay, this day I'm not recording anything, I'm just chilling.
Yeah.
Do this, do that.
I think it's not even like, obviously, it's a dream job to be a YouTuber. Obviously, most people now want to be a YouTuber, right? And you know, it's like, but if you're trying to do the same level as them, if you want to do the same level as them, you will. It's like it's a tough job.
Yeah.
Because you have to have the creativity probably runs out, and you're like the stress of like, oh, okay, we can't top the last one.
Yeah.
We have to do something big for this one, and then it just snowballs into like, oh crap, now we have nothing.
I think it's I think it's a combination of having the right team to do it with, and having your priorities straight. Now, how many people are there who are probably trying to be as big as them, but then some days they're like, oh, sorry guys, I can't make it. I'm doing this.
Exactly, yeah.
And the people who do that probably, I think the Sidemen, they did it smart because they moved into the same house. So they were forced to like just record. They were all in the same house.
They weren't forced, but it was like, you know, we're here anyway. So you know, might as well, yeah.
If all your friends are YouTubers, you're probably going to be a YouTuber.
Facts, yeah. Like Randolph.
Yeah, like he was a rapper before, wasn't he?
Was he?
Yeah, like that's how, and then he ended up doing YouTube.
No, he wasn't, was he?
He was at least trying to be a rapper, I don't know.
Oh my days.
It's decent though. Have you not seen him in
I can't lie, I thought he was a cameraman, bro. I can't lie to you.
Randall? Oh, do you mean Con? I think you're on about Con. The big guy, Con.
Nah, no, Randall, bro. Like,
nah, he's a YouTuber.
The one that Simon was with. I thought he started off as like their cameraman, and he eventually turned into. Nah. I know Simon did that. It was JJ's cameraman, and then he turned to a YouTuber. I thought Randolph did the same.
Nah, he was KSI's mate, I think, but
how was he?
He was a rapper or something.
Yeah.
But yeah.
The thing is about the reality of like shooting with one another. You probably don't hang out with one another outside of shooting. Like them lot. I bet the Sidemen don't hang out with one another. I
mean, I don't know.
It's like work. They're just work buddies, aren't they? They're like, oh, you've got to work. Turn up to work.
But their work is hanging out.
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. So like after the shoots and stuff, that's it. They just probably like go off separate ways, go with their separate friends, and
I mean, they're probably just with their girlfriends or family. Like, I think they spend so much time with each other.
You don't want to go outside.
I mean, why would you? Like, you already spent time with. Exactly. It's like you just recorded a video. Like, guys, you want to eat? And you're like, nah, bro, we just ate 10,000 calories. What you on about, bro?
Yeah, exactly. We just ate the fanciest restaurant. Got Sidemen to pay for it and that. So
yeah. This would have been a good trade here, but it's past 9 o'clock, guys. And
crap! I forgot.
I didn't trade past 9. Let's see. Would this have hit TV or anything? I think it would have been break even for sure. Oh, bro, this would have been hit TV already. You know what? I didn't end up taking it. It was past my time, but still played out as I said. He came down, took the liquidity. If trading view lets me draw. Pushed up.
Limit on, I'll explain it. Sorry,
came here, grabbed this liquidity from the downside, pushed into the order block. So this is a classic reaccumulation. We came down, grabbed the liquidity, and pushed up. So amazing.
Okay, 1 second.
I think the exact same thing is going to happen tomorrow, just earlier. I'm calling it now. Tuesday
Recording in progress.
Monday. I'm going to stop streaming, yeah? Do you need me to stop streaming?
I'm just I don't think the stream is fine. Okay, so yeah, it's past 9 o'clock now. Stream